Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to make any field optional or required in shipping form in WooCommerce checkout in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page and then you see ship to a different address and you see all field. So we are going to make any field optional or required by using custom code. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now go to checkout page. Now you see field, so right click on it and then click on inspect. Now inspect element open and then you see name or ID attribute. So we are using this name or ID attribute in custom code for shipping field. Now back to code. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see add filter WooCommerce underscore shipping underscore field and then you see shipping underscore lost underscore name. So we are going to make it optional. Now you see false and then shipping company we are going to make it required. Now you see true, and you will find this all in video description or in comment section. So you can use any shipping underscore address underscore 1. Now back to code. So scroll down, you see some method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to checkout page and refresh the page. Now you see ship to a different address, enable this option and then you see last name optional. Now remove it, add first name, company name required, so add another and then scroll down, enable this option and then place order. Now order placement done and then scroll down, you see billing address, first name, last name. In shipping address you don't see last name, you see first name and then you see company name. So you can add any ID attribute in custom code. This code make any field optional and this code make any field required. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.